Today I will teach you Adventures of Toto. Before that, you have seen, I think, the last video. In that video, I have taught you the starting or the background of the story. If you have not watched, watch that video also. Okay? In this story, I am giving you the background in very short form. And actually, in this story, what is going on? The Adventures of Toto is based on the experience of the author who had taken this experience from his grandfather. Grandfather, he loved to have the pet animals at home. Home is not a zoo. Home is not used to keep the animals. Different kinds of animals we keep as pet animal, like birds, like different kinds of animals, a cat, dog, but we don't keep monkey, we don't keep squirrel or different kinds of donkey. Don't you keep, isn't it? You keep dog, cat, sometimes some birds, selected birds, manna, parrot, but not the squirrel, not the tortoise, not the donkey, isn't it? So here in the story, the author is describing the experience of his grandfather, that grandfather who loved to pet animals. Okay? So this is the main background or the situation of the story, from where we have understood that the story gives us the detail of the experience of the author about his grandfather. Okay? Today I will teach you that what was the experience of a grandfather at home when he brought from Tanga driver. He bought the monkey from Tanga driver and he named the monkey as Toto. Okay? Now you have got this type of ideas from the last video. And now I am telling you that the Toto has come to the house of grandfather, and there grandmother doesn't like to have the kept or to have the animals as pet animal at home. So now this time he kept the secret. He kept a secret that he had bought a monkey from a Tanga driver and he wanted to keep that animal at home as pet animal. Last time he had brought donkey, birds. There was a great fuss, there was a great disturbance in the house with these pet animals experience, with grandfather and with grandmother. So now grandfather doesn't want to have the risk with grandfather or with the grandmother. That's why he kept the secret that he had bought a monkey from Tanga driver. He kept the monkey in a hole in the wall where he had kept some papers. Along with that papers, he had kept Toto the monkey. And he had made something papers on its body that he was not to be seen by the others. But his mischievous nature, but monkey's mischievous nature had not kept him the secret. Grandmother very quickly she knew about the arrival of Toto, the monkey pet animal, at home. So what is going on here? What is actually happened in the story? What the author had written in detail in the story. We will read the part of the story from the book. So let's start the class, and you will have the comic sense, the humorous nature of the of the story. So let's start the class. We should not waste the time to start the class. So let's begin. So students, let's start the class. Now here, this paragraph I will start a few hours later. When grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. जहाँ पे जिस होल के अंदर छुपाकर ग्रैंडफादर और ऑथर ने, जो बहुत छोटे थे उस वक्त, अपने ग्रैंडफादर के साथ कहीं बाहर गए थे, When they had gone out for some reason in the market, they had kept monkey as secret in one hole and covering with papers. But when they returned, they found that the monkey or the Toto, he had done the great chaotic situation at home, and he had made the walls plaster, completely naked or the very bad condition. He had destroyed the wall completely to the portion where the hole in which he was kept. And now the condition is that the ornamental paper, the paper they had chosen just to ornament Toto, just to keep Toto in a hole, ये समझाने के लिए कि कुछ वहाँ पे अलग तरह की चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं और इसीलिए उन्होंने पेपर से जिस होल के अंदर टोटो को रखा था उस होल को ढक दिया था और इस तरीके से उसको सजा दिया था, ऑर्नामेंटेड कर दिया था कि किसी को पता ही न चले कि यहाँ पे टोटो को रखा गया है। इसके बाद हम देखते हैं नाउ स्टूड आउट एज नेकेड ब्रिक एंड प्लास्टर। अब उस वॉल पे सिर्फ ब्रिक यानी कि प्लास्टर उतर गया है और सिर्फ ब्रिक दिख रहा है, यानी कि वॉल का हालत बहुत खराब हो गया। प्लास्टर उतर गया क्योंकि टोटो ने वहाँ पे स्क्रैचिंग करके हालत खराब कर दी है। द पेग इन द वॉल हैड बीन wrenched from its socket and my school blazer which had been hanging there was in shreds। और जो पेग का मतलब होता है हुक, जो हमारे वॉल में रहता है, उसके हम बहुत इस्तेमाल करते हैं कोई भी चीज़ हैंगिंग करने के लिए। तो ब्लेजर, ऑथर का ब्लेजर, जब वो छोटे थे, जब स्कूल जाते थे तो वो ब्लेजर पहनते थे, आप भी पहनते हो अपने स्कूल में, है ना। सो दैट ब्लेजर वॉज इन अ वेरी बैड कंडीशन। इट हैड बीन, द पेग हैड बीन wrenched out from the wall, from the socket of the wall. Socket means hole in which the peg or the hook was fixed। उस हुक के अंदर, हुक जो सॉकेट के अंदर डालकर फिक्स किया गया था, उस सॉकेट को भी निकाल दिया टोटो ने अपने पूरे पावर के साथ। हम जानते हैं कि टोटो या मंकीज बहुत ही मिस्चिवस होते हैं, बहुत ही नॉटी नेचर के होते हैं और वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। तो सॉकेट यानी कि होल जिसमें हुक यानी कि पेग फिक्स किया हुआ था, वो सॉकेट निकल आया और हालत बहुत खराब हो गई। वॉल एकदम डिस्ट्रॉयड, द प्लास्टर हैज गॉन आउट एंड नाउ the peg in which the blazer on which the blazer was hanging, that blazer's condition was also very bad. It was wrenched out from its socket and my school blazer which had been hanging there was in shreds। Shreds means the narrow thread part, यानी कि ब्लेजर की हालत इतनी ख़राब हो गई कि उसके नाखूनों के साथ उसे फाड़ दिया है और उसके धागे निकल आए हैं। उसके जो रेशे होते हैं, कपड़े के रेशे या धागे, वो निकल आए हैं, यानी कि ब्लेजर की हालत भी बहुत ख़राब हो गई है। सो नाउ द ब्लेजर्स कंडीशन इज़ वेरी बैड। नाउ दैट टाइम द ऑथर वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट टोटो's condition, that what now grandfather will do। What would be the next plan of grandfather when this situation will be revealed to grandmother? You have got to know before by me in the video that grandmother was not in a very comfortable zone about the Toto, that or about the pet animals that they should be kept at home, because home is not a zoo. Monkeys should not be kept at home. For that reason, grandmother will be great angry, and that's why this time author was too much worried about grandfather. Okay. Now the author was very much worried about his grandfather, but grandfather didn't worry. उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था क्योंकि हर बार वो एक पेट एनिमल लाते हैं, एक एनिमल लाते हैं जिसे पेट की तरह रखते हैं, एक पेट एनिमल की तरह रखते हैं। लेकिन ग्रैंडमदर बहुत नाराज़ होती हैं, लेकिन ग्रैंडफादर को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि उनको एनिमल्स बहुत पसंद है। ही वॉज एन एनिमल लवर, that's why he didn't worry about grandmother's feelings or about grandmother's remarks about keeping the pet animals at home. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance, जबकि उनको दुख होना चाहिए या फिर उनको गुस्सा आना चाहिए, वो बहुत खुश हो रहे थे कि टोटो ने इतना ब्यूटीफुल परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया है। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको एनिमल्स बहुत पसंद है। एनिमल्स का फ्रीडम, एनिमल्स का फ्री नेचर उन्हें बेहद पसंद होता है, क्योंकि एनिमल्स अपने फ्री तरीके से अपना फ्रीडम को एंजॉय करते हैं और वो जो मन चाहे वो करते हैं। हम इंसान इतना फ्रीली अपनी ज़िंदगी नहीं जी पाते। तो ग्रैंडफादर का एक ये बहुत ही डिफरेंट आउटलुक है, जिसकी वजह से वो इस चीज़ को एंजॉय करते थे। ठीक है? It's clever, said grandfather. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he would have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. उनको ये भी पता है कि ये जो ब्लेजर के थ्रेड्स या श्रेड निकल आए हैं, ये जो लंबे लंबे धागे निकल आए हैं, उनको मालूम है कि यही धागे से वो एक दिन उसका रोप बना लेगा। रोप मीन्स रस्सी। और उस रस्सी का इस्तेमाल करके वो इस एक खिड़की से घर से भाग भी जाएगा। He knows the every plan of Toto. He knows that he loves freedom, and one day with the thread of the blazer, he will make, or it will make a strong rope, and with that rope he could go out of the window and escape from the house. Okay? From this account, we have understood that grandfather loved the freedom of animals also, and he knew what the mischievous nature of the animals had. Okay? Now next is his presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter, where a number of grandfathers' pets lived with sociably together. Tortoise, rabbits, squirrel, and goat, and also one donkey. So like this, different kinds of animals he had kept at home, and for that reason grandmother little bit scared sometime, and little bit she was very much angry with the animals' appearance, with the animals' attitude and their experiences. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, and one day grandfather needed to go to some other place for some reason, to Saharanpur. And to Saharanpur, he had to take Toto along with him to the trip. To the trip of Saharanpur, he had taken Toto. Is it shocking? Yes. Actually, one day before one night, yesterday night, when first time Toto was in the Jew or in the home or cook's quarter, he was kept by grandfather. What is written here? Let's see. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep. When one night he was kept in the quarter as secret with the other animals, he did not allow to the other animals to sleep. उसने किसी को भी सोने नहीं दिया। इतनी शैतानियाँ की और इतनी शैतानी की कि सभी बहुत परेशान हो गए, और इसीलिए किसी ने भी उसे अपना कंपेनियन या दोस्त नहीं बनाया। इसीलिए ग्रैंडफादर को कभी देहरादून को जाना था, और देहरादून के रास्ते में उनको सहारनपुर पेंशन के लिए जाना था। व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? Who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Now on a trip, Toto the monkey will be with him on a train when he was going to Dehradun. In Saharanpur, he wanted to have pension. ट्रिप में वो उसे लेके जाएंगे। देखिए कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है, अच्छा या भयानक होता है। लेट्स सी कि ये एक्सपीरियंस उनके लिए बहुत ही सुखद या बहुत ही दुखद होता है, एक्साइटिंग होता है, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है। ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर समझेंगे। ओके, होप कि आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी। जो नहीं समझ में आया है वो आप मुझे कमेंट में लिखें और मुझसे ये चीज़ सवाल पूछें कि आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया है। इस लेसन में जो भी वर्ड्स है, फ्रेजल वर्ब है और कुछ खास बातें हैं, उनके ऊपर गौर करें और उसको समझने की कोशिश करें कि इन बातों के अंदर हम क्या इनर मीनिंग हो सकता है। ओके।